Hi and welcome to another episode of Adam the Chef on this beautiful sunny gorgeous day with a little slight bit of wind, but I have fixed the problem. I have been recommended a mic off a close friend of mine, so thank you for that. I'm also celebrating my 10th episode today since I started the channel about a month ago, so yeah, really enjoyed it so far, and thanks for your support and help to get me to my 10th episode. For my 10th episode I will be doing another vegan dish, and I'll be doing crispy polenta bites with a nice sweet teriyaki sauce and like a char-grilled chili broccoli salad. Beautiful to have in this weather and dead easy to make. So without further ado, I will get started, and also I've put my link to my Instagram where I do other little bits and photos of food, so feel free to check that out as well. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll get to it. So to start to make the crispy polenta bites, all we do is add some almond milk, 300 milliliters of almond milk with 300 milliliters of water with a veg stock cube, and bring that lightly to the boil with some spices here. I've got some smoked paprika, some salt, some pepper, some cayenne pepper, a lot of pepper, some oregano and thyme. And that gets all the flavour into the polenta as well, and just give that a good mix until it comes to the boil. Now the mix has lightly come to a boil. We want to now begin to add the polenta, 160 grams of fine polenta I'm adding, for about 5 minutes until it starts to get real thick. It may look a bit lumpy, so I have got a whisk as well if I need to. So as you can see, it's starting to get a bit thicker, and I'm just giving it a nice whisk to bind it in. Just yet on a low heat, just let that continue to cook. Now the polenta has finished cooking down and all the liquid has reduced. I now just put it in a tin, ideally with parchment paper rather than tin foil, and just lay it all flat. And then when it's set in the fridge for about an hour or two, we'll be able to cut it into our little bites and bake them. And yeah, it's as simple as that. That's how to make polenta. To make it a little bit smoother, because mine is a little bit lumpy, just add a little bit at a time, not like I did, chuck it all in one go, and just add little by little and give it a little bit of a whisk as you do that. But yeah, I'm gonna leave that to set and smooth that out. So now we have the polenta resting in the fridge. We can now start with the broccoli salad, getting that all prepped and prepared. Look at the size of that lemon compared to that broccoli. Wow. Anyway, so for the broccoli, dead easy. All you want to do is take off the florets of the broccoli, like so. And we can even tackle the stalk at this point as well. A lot of people just chuck that in the bin, but I just trim off the end like that, trim off the other top bit, and then cut down the side. I actually find this is one of the nicest bits of the broccoli, to be honest, the stalk. Put that there for the minute, and then we'll just put that into like little matchsticks, like so. And then we'll boil all that up in broccoli and water. Boil up for like, I don't know, 2-3 minutes, and then we'll blanch it in ice cold water, and then we'll drain it. So yeah, I'll get on that now. So now we're going to make the teriyaki sauce. All I have in this pan is some soy sauce, some water, some ground ginger, some garlic powder, some sugar, and a little bit of golden syrup. And we're going to let that cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then add a tablespoon of corn flour just to thicken it up. And then we'll put that to the side, and that's our teriyaki sauce. So now the polenta has been cooling down in the fridge for about 2 hours. It is hardened, and it should be nice and easy to cut into nice little cubes. And when we cut it like so, cubes like that, and here we have the finished polenta bites, nice and soft, as you might be able to see there, and nice and crisp on the outside. I have cooked these 15 minutes each side, which I don't think I mentioned before, on 200 degrees. So now they're just cooling down a little bit. We're going to quickly start frying the chili, garlic, and peanuts in the sesame seed oil and vegetable oil, and start to make the salad. Now the chili, garlic and peanuts have gone a nice golden colour. I'm going to start bringing up the temperature and adding the broccoli. And get that nice and charred and crisp. Now the broccoli has started to char up a bit. I'm going to add some of the zest and lemon juice. Give that a mix in. And then this is the teriyaki sauce, which is lightly thickened. It sort of coats the back of the spoon. I'm going to add a few tablespoons of the teriyaki sauce. I'm now going to add some of the crispy polenta. The sauce. Just going to finish this off now with a handful of coriander, and I will begin to plate. And there we have it, the nice crispy polenta with the chili broccoli dressed in a nice sweet teriyaki sauce. You can pair that up with some rice or noodles. But thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share.